Alright, so before I pack away my fuel injection pump tester, man, I was thinking that this would be a great opportunity to show y'all how it works. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We do like a lot of LS swap stuff and the other automotive endeavors. But yeah, just to verify that fuel pressure is not an issue while my motor is running, which I doubt it is. But before I pack it away, I just want to make sure, and then also make a video for y'all. So basically what you have to do is you're gonna want to get a towel or some kind of towel, shop towels, paper towels, something, so that the fuel does not spew everywhere. Looks like I got one right here. Neighbor down there tearing up some shit. But yeah, basically what you want to do is you want to locate the valve on our intake right here. It's going to be located right behind this cap. So the cap screws off, and then I'm pretty sure there's going to be pressure built up behind here. As you can see, fuel pressure, and then you just go and you screw that on like that, nice and tight, and then you are able to set the gauge right there, or wherever it needs to, wherever it so shall fall. And we'll turn the key on, because that's what it's gonna do. It's gonna prime the fuel system. And our fuel pressure is right there below 60, about 56 to 58, and that's just key on at the rail. So it's there, it's constant, it's holding. Doesn't look like we have any leaky injectors or anything like that would cause us to lose the pressure. However, you know, we haven't tested it while it's running, so we're gonna go ahead and crank it up, and then we're gonna look at it again. That's that shit I be talking about. So that raises, I guess you could say, a little bit of a question. Running, it was over 60. So does that mean that it's too much fuel? Is the regulator regulating? These are questions that I do not know the answer to. So because this is a completely different setup, I mean, I pretty much have to ask somebody else. But what I can do, see, and that's why you got that towel up under there, so that fuel just don't drip down on your engine and then catch on fire. Bing bong. Bing bong. And if it is a fuel, it's only a little bit of fuel, and it's not gonna make that big of a difference. Let's compare it to this one. I don't think I ever have. Okay, so for all of that, the y'all that know or may not know, this is our one hit a quitter 6.0. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, Bill. A truck intake, but still the concept is the same. A lot of people just say it doesn't look as pretty, but I say the other one don't run as hard. So while I do like looks, I'm more about functionality, and that's just how I get down. Looks good, but maybe got some issues. This one maybe doesn't look all as great or as great as, but it gets the job done. So get that on there, twist it on, and we're gonna crank it up and see where our fuel pressure, or we'll prime it. We will prime it, and then from there, see where we sit. So this one is about right at 50. Right at 50. So the fuel pressure regulator for this one is located right here on the reel. It has an O-ring. If you were there for the build, you remember some of the slight issues that we had with it. Yeah, 50. About right there at 50. So the difference on that build to this build is the regulator is down here on the frame versus is down there on the frame versus the actual on the fuel rail. But either way, it'll work. But yeah, like I said, I am curious to see what it says it's at while it's running. This goes to show that a couple possibilities is that it may actually have too much fuel pressure, meaning that maybe that regulator is not regulating how it should. I'm guessing would be the thing. So we might have to dive a little bit deeper into that. But both crank, both start, both run, so. Like I said, the whole car intake, Corvette fuel filter regulator combo, man, it's all kind of new to me, but it does work. So it's not pushing. I don't know if it's necessarily regulating it back to where it needs to be, because like I said, as we saw when it was running, it was over 60. So y'all let me know Y'all let me know if y'all done ran into that situation where, you know, your fuel pressure was probably higher than it needed to be. We know what happens when it's not high enough, but what happens when it's too high? So, well, what is the result of it being too high? Does that mean that an injector is not firing? Does that mean we have a bad injector? Y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know. Like I said, it's not throwing no codes or anything like that, other than like a fuel level sensor code that it don't even need to be activated. Whatever, we need to deactivate it. But it just definitely make you say, what if? And like I said, because this is a new setup, it's a little bit different, and yeah, I mean. So, till next time, all my fuel pressure, all my LSY people, all my fuel pressure people, you know what I'm saying, y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying, all my Corvette people, all my Camaro people, man, y'all tap in, let me know what y'all thoughts is on that situation, that there boy. And we out. Gone.